Alright. Hello, everyone. I'm here with my cousin Logan. It's currently hot as balls out here, as he would put it. I'm shocked he hasn't said that yet. But, whew, butterfly. Just coming up to Pineview, you know the drill. Yeah. Just currently still on the hunt for another snake. Specifically a large rat snake or racer. That would be awesome. Or, shoot, I'd take another large shed again. None of that's gonna work. Flipped all of this already. And nothing. You know, for ringnecks being so common, they're not so common around here. You barely see them. I can see you falling on one of the large rocks. Man, it's a walk sometimes. Also, groundhog hole. Those are groundhog holes. At least that one is. I'm not sure about that one. I assume the same thing. There's normally a turkey around here, so we might walk up on a turkey. Who knows? Let's go up this way first before we go over there. So maybe we'll come across a deer or whatever. Or maybe the rare and mythical bear that's supposed to be around here.
What do you mean?
Someone said there was a bear around here, which I highly doubt because it would have gotten into everyone's garbage already. Not to mention someone's dog probably would have been eaten already as well. And we would have seen footprints and fur and hair and yeah. Nothing under that one. It's dry right there. I'm assuming nothing under this one as well. Yep. It's currently getting into the part where snakes are going to be hard to find if we don't start walking. Yeah. Alright. There's a bird chirping. I don't know where the bird is, but it's chirping. About to trip. That was a big grasshopper. I don't know, but it jumped in that area. Deer been coming through here more often now. That's good. Maybe the fawns have dropped. Coming back down is gonna be fun.
I know.
What? You heard that, right?
Yeah. I heard a chipmunk.
No, it's over here again. Turkey? Come on, stop. It's a turkey again.
What?
Ain't it? It's a turkey again, ain't it?
Probably.
So is it roosting right here, or what? Huh. Or maybe it's a small bird or mouse. Oh, I just realized we never flipped this rock. Nothing. Gotta put that back. Nope, no turkey popped out here, so I don't know. Would have been funny if we ran into the water. Oh, the raccoon came back. Yep, that raccoon definitely came back. What?
You go home.
Was that there before? Don't stick your foot in there. Was this there here before?
I'm sticking up to my side. Ow.
Alright, stand up real quick. I wanna look. Logan, move real quick, please. Because you don't know what's under there. There could be a bunch of snakes.
So I get bit. I get bit.
Yeah, but with what car are we gonna take you with?
This.
If only. Let's see.
I'll get up and I'll put it on myself.
I can't see anything. Oh, you know what? There's liner right here.
What does that mean?
It's, you know how there's a canal thing right here?
No,
That's what this is, but I think because this was a puddle at one point, it destroyed the... I think what all of this is a liner, hence why water's retaining on it. And that hole is like a sinkhole pretty much forming because... Huh? Moth? Yep. I forget what those are called.
Day moth.
Because I know in Utah they call them day moths.
That's day moth.
But I don't know if that's actual. Dude, hold on. Right in this area, something big lays down. Most likely the big doe, I'd say. What?
Shitting.
some daisies, I'm guessing.
Got a big boy.
Crow, I think. Or raven. It was a big blackbird. By the time I turned around, it was gone, but it should be in one of these trees here.
That man got that BBC, that man got that big old angle past the...
Ay, ay, ay.
What?
What's wrong with you?
Lots of things.
You know what? Something comes through here, too, I just realized.
That's probably that big old thing with that BBC.
Ay, ay, ay. He's not the brightest. Okay, right down. Ooh-wee! He's gonna crash. Or not, okay. He didn't crash. Cool. I don't know, but something was walking. Okay, please tell me I'm not the only one that heard that snort from up there.
But you all. I didn't hear it.
I literally heard. Alright. Stay with your bike, just in case someone comes to steal it. Okay, there's something walking, like, right over there.
When it comes like these nuts?
While I'm recording, really?
Yes.
You had to say that? And this is why I don't do cryptid time around you anymore.
I thought you would have a lot more subscribers if I was alone.
No.
Yes.
No, I probably have more dislikes than likes on those videos. Yeah, did you not hear that? There's literally, like, something moving around.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I hate you. But hold on, can you move back behind me so I can... Also, that's a fresh... Like, something moved right there.
Well, not bleeding again. I want to see something very bad, but I can't stay recording. I'm kid YouTube.
It's not kids' tube.
It is very much kids do.
No. It's actually beautiful out here, I just realized.
That is very beautiful. Time to go back to 55.
And you're how old? What is wrong with you?
A lot of things. Oh, God.
Okay, we can, I guess, start walking back.
55.
I hate this kid.
I'm not sorry.
Was that there before?
What, that?
Yeah.
Did I pay attention to that?
No, I don't. I know it wasn't there when we came up yesterday. Because I walked up this side. I would have stepped on it.
Or it doesn't look well, so.
It's an M&M too. Oh my god. I hate you. Huh?
See that? Is that what you said?
No.
Okay.
You're just hearing things.
Okay.
You should ride through the mud puddles.
What?
I said you should ride through the mud puddles.
Oh, I got you.
I'm gonna just step back. Okay, this is on the downslope. You can just ride now. As he about falls. I'm never getting monetized, am I? Okay. He gets worse when I start recording, and I don't understand it. But no, I need to start doing more videos in the woods. Not these woods, in the other woods. Damn, you gone already. But yeah, I guess maybe I'll leave. No, I won't leave the video off here yet. I need to see if he crashes and yeah. Okay. Speaking.exe has not worked. But, no. What the heck was that just hit? Huh. But no, okay. But, oh, yeah. I just woke up, like, hold on, let's see, what time is it? 20 minutes ago. Since, as of, like, I just ate, and then as of recording, yeah, it was only 10 minutes, so this is another 10, so about 20 minutes. So I've only been which way did you go? Rabbit. Dude, that's a big ass rabbit. I'm hoping y'all seen that. I think that's a snowshoe hare with how brown it is. The cotton, and also the cottontails aren't that big either. So that's a hare, which is neat. Alright, now where do you go? Is he up there or down here? I'm going down here to check. Oh, jeez. But that was cool. Also, I put the footage on pause because I had to sneeze it. Right as I sneezed, the rabbit ran out. Okay, which way? No, seriously, which way did Logan Oh. Huh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave the footage here, well, video here. Hopefully I got it into frame the hair, but yeah. So next time I'll see y'all on the next hunt. I'm have to find my cousin, but yeah. So until next time, see y'all in the next hunt. Bye.